Alright, in we go. Bit of a tight squeeze, but we'll get there.
Come on down, big boy, and make my day. You can find me.
Cool. That's the way we came in. He's made for midgets. Which way did you go, Daz?
Right ahead.
Did you check to the right? What are you doing there? Does that go up further?
Get in. Then go straight ahead.
No, that's what I mean. Up there.
Yeah. Well, I went up.
I
I had to
did.
come back because you didn't leave the... When I'm in here, you've got to put the radio in the hole.
I did, and we're just getting shit. For some reason, we're getting interference. Alright, you've got the good torch, you go first.
I think that goes somewhere in there. I'm not sure. I didn't go up there.
Yep.
I've got to watch your back here.
Yeah, I can see. It's all over here.
Fucking low.
And you forgot your knee pads.
What's that?
And you forgot your knee pads.
I've got them on.
Oh, you got them on?
Yeah, they're in your pants.
Ah.
That's what I said to you. That's why I wear these pants. Because they've got knee pads in them.
Oh, I should have put knee pads in mine then.
Why you got two torches going?
Because I want to.
Don't do that. You're gonna have a spare.
No, one's me phone. For the viewers out there. Holy crap.
This is far as I went.
Yeah.
But there's still a breeze in my face.
It's still pushing out a nice cool breeze. That's coming in from somewhere.
It keeps getting bigger and smaller and that's the way out.
It's all caved in, is it?
Oh no.
Oh.
That's all caved in. But that's the way there. What?
I got rock in my boot.
So going up?
If it looks safe.
You can see what you're going to do.
Well, safe enough anyway. How far is it? Does it open up further?
Yeah. Up a fair way.
Sorry?
Up a bit.
You got to crawl for ages there.
Oh, I'm on my knees now, so
Alright.
Oh, look at this here.
Yeah.
Look at wood.
Wood.
Petrified wood.
Huh?
Oh, so.
Go in for a little bit and have a look. That way if I don't have to call through. Might go in a lot further.
It does. It does.
We'll come back when we've got all our good equipment.
We'll come back when the people can stay outside.
Yeah, and we can go in. I'm glad you went in there for a change. Come on, old man.
Wow. Is what they say.
Alright. So that's another mine. Where are we again, Dad?
Somewhere. In the kitchen.
Yeah.
In the kitchen.
Cooking up a storm. This is a bad little one. As you see, it was a small entrance to get in, and just up that way where Dad went for a crawl, it looks like it goes right in. But we haven't got our stuff with us, so we'll come back probably a week or two with all the proper gear and go have a hunt and see what's in there. So yeah, it's all good. Well done, Daz.
I think I like the air conditioning in here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's hot outside. See ya.